Hey folks, today is August 18th. It's currently 8:50 in the morning. Got here a little bit earlier than normal today. Doesn't look like they've taken anything unless they're currently in a trade. Let me unmute the room real quick. Alright, so we're just going to be patient here and see what the day gives us. Hopefully we'll be able to catch a few good trades here. Alright, I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we're in our first trade here on on crude. So we're going to see how this does. And I switched over to the October contract. Now we just gotta be patient here and see what happens.
Target
filled.
Alright, got our first profit target filled.
First target's out.
Let's see if we can get up to the second here.
Come on, keep going. Go, 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 go.
We need 2 more ticks up for it to take out our next
There's the target, Phil. I thought it was out. It just filled. Come on, don't come back.
Sounds like there's a problem with the room. I keep getting a buzzing noise. But that's the software's fault, not his. And guys, we're doing exactly as we should be doing right now.
Go, go.
Second or stop was moved up by me to break even -2, which is 2 ticks below break even. We got 1 tick to our second target is hit.
We're gonna close the trade.
There it is.
Close the trade at 65.
We're almost at 65.
One more tick.
So we'll be closing the trade if it hits
target
there.
filled.
There it is. So we're out. Alright guys, that was our first trade of the day. Beautiful stuff. I'll go ahead and pause it and I'll come back with you guys on the next trade.
Just filled our second.
Alright guys, we just got filled on our ES trade here. Now just waiting to see what the market's going to do. Alright, we're 1 tick away from getting stopped on this one. Let's see if the market...
We're sell it close to the downside. Selling it down close.
Stop filled.
Alright, stop got hit on that one.
Alright, it took us out.
Alright, so it took a small loss there. I'm sure he'll update it on here on the charts or whatnot. So that's our second trade for the day. I'll go ahead and pause the video here, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, he just told us to buy the ES on an up close. So that's what we're going to do here. Alright, so we cancel that.
Alright, we're not going to get that. That was automatically canceled.
Alright, so I'll be back with you guys on the next opportunity. Alright guys, the call was to sell the ES. So we are now in. You can see here we had the ABC pattern. It's really just bouncing around right there, so it's going to push in one direction, I'm guessing here. Hopefully it'll be in ours.
There's our first target.
Target
Now keep
filled.
going. Target's filled. Go. Come on.
Target filled.
There it is. Market pushed through our second target.
Second target's out.
Now we're waiting to see if it's going to push down here to our third target.
That's it. Go down.
I'm sure he's going to give us a call here. If this closes up, my guess would be he's going to say to close it on a up bar. So we'll just wait and see what happens here, guys. If not, we'll just be taken out right here.
All right. We just got taken out. Got two targets on the trade.
Stop filled.
And there it is. Alright, so we ended up hitting two targets.
Mark it.
Alright, it's currently 9:47. I'll go ahead and pause the video and I'll come back to you guys shortly. 2 winning trades so far and 1 losing trade. Alright guys, we're in an ES trade right now. ES hasn't been kind to us today, so we're just gonna see what it gives us here.
Stop filled.
And stop just got filled on that. Looks like the ES just is not in a giving mood today. Alright, as you can see over here, he marked that 5 tick loss right there, and then we also had that plus 5s right there. Alright, I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Actually, as I'm watching his chart, it looks like he's still in the trade. He's using his own entry software, and I think I might have to start using it as well. So I'll look at trying to get that set up today, because obviously he did get a better feel than I did. So he was able to stay in by 1 tick. Market pushed back up. So hopefully they'll be able to go ahead and ride the market up to that first profit target. But like I said, he does have a trade entry piece of software that he's developed, where basically you'll say buy on an up bar, and you'll be able to press the button that says buy on an up bar. And if the bar is an up bar, it'll go ahead and automatically enter the trade instantly, instead of me basically waiting to see what happens and then pressing the button and then getting a few ticks of slippage. So his is automatic, and it automatically cancels the trade if the market doesn't close as an up bar. And as you can see, that 1 tick enabled him to stay in this trade, and he's pretty close to hitting his first target. So let's see what happens here.
First target's hit.
All right, they got
First
first
target
target.
is hit. Go, go, go. Come on.
Actually, let me pause. I'm going to try and find the page for that software so you guys can see what it looks like. Hold on one moment. They just got their second target hit. And of course, this is the trade that I didn't get a great entry on. One moment, folks. I'm trying to find that page for you.
Go. All right, close the trade. Close the trade at 97.50. 97.50 is our target. That's it. We're out 97.50. 97.50, we're out. We're right through. Good. Trade's closed 97.50. Now, this was our...
Alright, here's the trading that he's using, and also what a lot of the other people in the room are using.
And now it's running.
This is what you guys can see: buy on close, buy on a up close, or buy sell on a close. Which basically means if the market closes, or if the bar closes as an up bar, you'll buy. If it closes as a down bar, you'll sell. But what they're using
Right
is
here.
buy on close, or buy on close up.
We never got stopped out on that trade. Came back against us 6 ticks. Never broke the low of this candle.
And let's see here. What's the
And there
price
she
on
goes.
this? And
we
there's a
took the
free
whole
trial.
Trade out at one point.
Alright, so you get a 7-day free trial for this as well, it looks like. And you can also buy it. It's $49 a month to actually subscribe to it, or you can
Well, actually, we entered the trade
take the one-time fee.
right here.
And I'll go ahead and look at doing the trial, like I said,
But
so
it
we
did
can
not take us out.
stay in some of these trades. Anyway, it's 17 minutes right now. That ended up actually being a winning trade for him. I'm just not using all of the software, so for me, I took a few more ticks of slippage than they did. All right, let me pause and see if they're done for the day or if they're going to look at continuing. All right, guys, we're going to buy crude on an up close. Again, I don't have their software, so
Order filled.
obviously we took, as you guys just saw, we took
It's filled.
at least a tick of slippage there.
First target's hit and filled.
Shoot.
Close the trade.
Target
42.66. 42.66. Take it out. 42.66. We just hit it again.
Target filled.
We're not going to, right there, we're at 69. We'll take it at 66. It's our fourth winner. And that's it for the day.
All right, let's go
Now,
ahead
hold
and
on a second. Let
let's
me
see what happens here. Either it'll go
scale
up,
the trade.
hit us here, or it'll come down and take us out.
Whoops. I took it off right at the point, right at the value area high.
One tick away.
42.66.
Target filled.
All right,
Now it's moving higher, but that's okay.
nice trade
Because our
here.
anticipation is it's going to bounce off the value area high and come right back at us. So we have two contracts off at 5, one off at 5 and two up at 6. We made nice money on it. We could have made more, but we also could have made a lot less.
All right, guys, so as you can saw, there definitely is benefit to using that trade entry software that they have. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have that, because as you saw, they hit their profit target about 2 ticks before I did.
The trade went 15. It doesn't go any higher.
So I really think I'm going to have to get that set up so that we can see how it goes tomorrow.
So that's it.
All right, so overall a
So on
great
this
day of
trade,
trading.
We're all out at 6. And we're going to go, we're going to go through all the trades.
One losing trade,
It's pretty tough to get 4 winners in this market.
4 winning trades.
We have plus 6 ticks.
All right, let me go ahead and mute his mic right now. It looks like they're about to go over all the trades they took, but we're already at about 20 minutes on this, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. I don't want this to be too long for you guys here. If you actually want to jump in so you can see all the overview and the wrap-ups and everything like that, the trading room is free for 7 days, I believe it is. Definitely think it's worth taking a look at, and I'll continue to do these videos most likely until Friday. Win or lose, I'll show you guys what the outcome is, and hopefully tomorrow, like I said, we'll be able to start using that software to see how it works as well. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.